Whoa, he's a split nut. Do it again. Do it again for mama. He's a spit nut.
Yeah. Too much milk.
Whoop. Do it again. Look here.
What?
Whoops. Sit
Right
up.
back.
Whoa.
You've got to put that on Facebook. Hey,
Israel, look at mama.
get my blanket. Get my blanket. Get my blanket. Look at mama.
Look here.
Look at mama.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Get my blanket.
Whoa.
There, stand up. Stand up.
Hi,
There we
baby. Hi, baby.
go. Get out of my house.
He's got the hiccups.
Yeah, and he's popping them in my hand, too. Hey. He's in one of them moods.
Hey, baby.
Now listen.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You're going to tell mommy about it.
Whoa.
Whoa, buddy.
Ain't you a little bit too little to be standing? Huh?
No.
Ain't you a little bit too little?
Get her.
Huh?
Get her. Well, all right, go to her. Get it. What you done that for?